Hello, you're watching Traders Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. Early next week, all eyes will be turned to the following market movers. On Monday, Germany's Die Stat will release their preliminary data on the CPI for March. According to analysts, the prices increased by 0.4% compared to February and by 0.1% compared to March 2014. The economic situation in Germany is particular, and in Europe on the whole is rather difficult due to the increased risk of deflation on the background of falling prices on oil and oil products. In January, consumer prices in Germany declined by 1.1% on a monthly basis. In February, there was a moderate growth by 0.9%, which exceeded the forecast of economists who had expected the rise only by 0.6%. In Germany, in March, CPI inflation accelerated by 0.1% on a yearly basis. The European Central Bank is working hard applying stimulating measures to control the process of price changes. On Tuesday, the U.S. Conference Board will reveal a report on the Consumer Price Index for March. The indicator is projected to cool to 96.2 points. In February, consumer prices fell more than expected after a spike to a multi-year high. In February, the indicator slid to 96.4 from the revised reading of 103.8 recorded in January. Initially, it was expected that the indicator would hit 102.9 points, the highest score since August 2007. Economists had anticipated that the figure would drop only to 99.4 points. Experts noted that after an abrupt February increase, consumer confidence showed correction which may have continued in May. Another very important indicator will be out in the US on Wednesday, non-farm employment change provided by the automatic data processing. According to analysts, in March, economy added 240,000 jobs. A month earlier, ADP published a rather neutral report on the employment. The number of jobs created in the private sector amounted to 212,000 compared to 213,000 in January. This is the lowest score since August 2014. The cutting of the staff in oil and gas companies is one of the main reasons for the indicator's decline. Moreover, the service sector still contributes the most to the labor market. The governmental report on the employment will be disclosed on Friday. Apart from this, market attention will be centered to the following rounds out early next week: the report on the industrial production in Japan and data on personal spending and income in the US and slated for release on Monday. Data on the producer prices in France and a report on the unemployment change and the unemployment rate in Germany are on tap on Tuesday. The current account and final GDP data are due for release in the UK. Consumer Price Index flash estimate will be published in the European Union and the GDP data will be revealed in Canada. On Wednesday, Tankan indicators will be published in Japan. Moreover, in China, the United States, the United Kingdom and Canada data on the PMI data will see the light of day. It was Traders Calendar on InstaForex TV. Have a nice trading with InstaForex Company.